Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I'm back today in my Lion planner. It is my work planner. I haven't been in it for a while, but I'm back in it. The great thing about this planner is it's undated, so I can come back to it when I'm ready to use it. So I'm really enjoying that part of it. So today I am going to be working with what's left of my Scarlet Line Planner Society kit, and I love this kit. I ordered extras of this kit for our daughter and soon-to-be son-in-law's wedding because their wedding is green and pink. And it does come with a washi, but I think I'm going to use, I had a kit that I got at Tuesday morning. It's rose gold, and I just feel rose goldy today. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this and just get it going. So I'm trying to decide what I want to put down there. I think it might be this one. Nope. And no, I just think this is too wide. So I think we're going to stick with this. Alright, so here we go. I love, do you love opening fresh washi? I don't know why. It's like, why is that? Why do we love fresh washi? But what we do, it just feels new and crisp and, I don't know. Anyways, but I just love when I get fresh new washi and I get to open it up and use it and all that kind of good stuff. So, there we go. Got that one. Don't know if I can get this one. I may have to use the scissors. But I have so much going on this week that my catch-all planner is probably not enough. It is literally going to be hour by hour things I have to do. So should I go with this one down the middle? No, I'll stick with what I'm doing. So I'm just trying to make sure I have everything done and done ahead. So, alrighty, here we go. Done that. And I want to make sure I have everything listed. It is a fast-paced week, so anyways, alrighty. I got wrinkled there. Hold on, guys. It's a tax deadline. That's the big reason for the big hullabaloo, and we have a lot of extensions we've got to get done. You know, extensions are great until it's time to get it done. So anyways, I love that. I love that gold. It looks gold, but it's rose gold. So I really love that washi. I may come down here. I think I am. I think I'm going to put some of this across here. Let's see. Maybe I'll go with the arrows. I kind of like that a little bit better, or whatever you call that. I am going to be pushing towards the next week. So that's why I'm going to do it this way. I know. I will be so glad when next week comes. God willing, we'll have met all the deadlines and we will be good to go. I told my husband, I said, I do not want to wait the day of for a deadline. You know, we need to get everything done ahead, if at all possible. So, anyways, and of course, any of the clients are out of town, we have to mail them their tax returns. So, of course, we have to get it done. But this is going to be a busy week at the post office for sure. Oh, and we do not live in town, so that is a trip in. There are my scissors. Silly things. Okay. They were buried. Okay, so I'm not wanting to do a whole lot on this particular layout, but I am wanting to kind of spruce it up and encourage. It's only for me. You know, I don't think any clients are going to see this. Hopefully not. This is just going to be for me this week. And, but I want to make sure I get the hourlies down. We're trying to decide right now in the estate, there's some hourly work that has to be accounted for. And so, I don't know. You know, you go through this stuff and you just think, oh, I don't know. I'm going to put that up there. I tried earlier. I think that one's pretty on the monthly and it didn't work. But, anyway, so I'm just trying to figure out what needs to be done and where. You know what I mean. So I'll put that there because that's y'all for planners. So I'll take a break during lunch and take care of that. And that's going to get me through Saturday, which is good. I'm going to put this down here for a banner of what that list will be. And I think I'm going to put another one here. Put that there because that may be my week. And then, yeah, I think that's it. And then I want to put some of these on here because these are so cute. Okay, if at 9 o'clock at night I'm still working, which we have pulled all-nighters, I hope I'm not going to be working. Let me say it like that. Please, God, don't let us keep working it late at night. Oh, we did that until it was just horrible. It was horrible. So I think one time we went to bed at like 4 in the morning, or it's just ridiculous when you get that busy. You know, I mean, I just have to say, and I can't plan the week out because it's my husband, and he's the CPA, so he does majority of the work. But, you know, I'm a plan ahead girl. I want to be done ahead. So that's my goal, is to have everything done at least a day ahead. Ooh, that's the same one, so I'm not going to use that one. But I really, really, really like being done ahead, if I can. But life doesn't always work that way. Okay, there we go. I love that. That's really pretty. You know, it's a work planner. Should I put a flamingo on there? I vote yes. Why not? Today is a flamingo kind of day. We are in, feels like, oh, I lost his head. Oh no, he lost his head. We're getting more and more and more rain. So I'm almost feeling like we're in Florida, you know, or South Texas. Okay, I want to crease that so it can fold. Okay, it does. It feels like South Texas, coastal Texas. So I'm going to put that one up here. I don't know why, but just liking it. I love these roses. I think they're going to come down here. That's pretty. And, I think I'm going to put this little cutie over here, in this corner. And then I will put this little cutie up here, a little pineapple with the gold on it. I think I'm going to put some pink succulent with it too. Oops, kind of covers it up, doesn't it? Sorry. Sorry there, gold pineapple. I'm going to put that there. And I think I'm going to put some of these cute little ones here. So since Sunday's already gone, I'm going to put that there. And I am in hopes that we will, I'm hoping that we'll sleep in on Saturday. I don't know, because I know Sunday's going to be busy. That's usually our day for church, but I'm not really sure what we're going to end up doing. So if we go to church, that makes me happy. If we don't, I'm still going to be happy because I'll see a flamingo. How's that? Alright, I'm going to put that on that corner. And I'm going to put this pretty little succulent over the number. Takes care of that. One page down. Yay! I know, you guys that are with me, you guys know I love to finish the pages. So I'm going to put this little, it's like a little flamingo snow globe. You know, it's got palm trees. It's super cute. I hope I've been in frame this whole time. I apologize if I hadn't. I've been trying to be better about that. Okay, I want something down here. So, she believes, so she did. She believed she could, so she did. And that has been the week. Put that somewhere else too. And Girl Boss, so that goes over here. Because yes, we are. I'm going to put that on lunchtime. Because I don't know about y'all, but we got to have a break every now and then. Okay. Remember this. I could put that there. It's too long. If I cut it. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to trim that off. Okay. That's what I'm going to do. And it's crooked. So let me straighten it up first, and then I will get it done. So, and I have gotten, I hope, the worst of the worst on the estate done. I kind of feel like it's probably not going to be true, but it was the stuff that I did not want to do that was the worst. So, and then I still have to do, like, overall accounting work on it, and that's going to be a big, ugly pain, but that's okay. I'll get that done. And, yeah, that's it. Let's see. Is there anything else I want to do? But once I get that done, I will feel much better. You know how this is. Oh, don't call it a dream. Call it a plan. I love that. Savage. Goals. Okay. best day ever. Make today count. That is what's going to be up here. Okay. Alrighty, I think I'm going to put that up here. So, this is it, guys. I mean, I keep it pretty simple. I'm not going to make this hard. I want this to just be encouraging to me this week, because I know how much we have to get done, and I know how important all this is. Bless my poor husband's heart. I think he's finally understanding, you know, he's very good at his job, and this is, even though he is he's still certified as a CPA, but he hasn't always been a practicing CPA. He's had, people, clients, off and on. But when you have this many clients, you have to get this much stuff done, and then there's things that we have to go back and double check from previous years. It's like double, triple the work. And part of that he gets paid for, and part of it he just doesn't get paid for. And so, it's been a journey. No doubt it's been a journey for him too. I'm going to put that right there. Make today count. But he's been very selfless in helping, and I could have never done any of this without him or my youngest. They have been invaluable. I mean, seriously invaluable. I'm going to look at these if there's anything I want to put on here. They have helped me so much. It's been a journey, and I appreciate them incredibly, and they have just stepped up and helped out, and that's just what it was. We didn't have a choice. Nobody else stepped up. We had to do it, and it just is what it is sometimes. You just have to do what you have to do. So I think I'm not going to put that coffee cup, because that is just too pink. And I love this, but I don't think I'm going to put that on here. I love the succulent snow globe, but I think I am going to put this on here. I think I'm just going to put it here where it'll flap and open and closed. And I did this on another planner, and I kind of like it. I like the look of it. I like the functionality of it. So, and I think, maybe I'll just do some more of this. Yeah, I'll just use some of this. This time the arrows are going to be pointing up, because we're going to be pointing to Jesus for this week. We're going to need his help. Oh, goodness gracious. Alright, guys. There we go. I love that. And then I can just flip it open and closed. Cute. Oops, you know what? That is not... Let me change that a little bit, guys. Okay. I'm going to get that smack on. There we go. And then I can do that smack on. And then it will open better, I'm hoping, yeah. Okay. And I did go a little long on that, so... okay, one more time. I'm just going to trim this. Oh, goodness gracious. Silly me. I'm just going to trim it like that. Perfect. Okay. Doggone, isn't that cute now? That is just so stinking cute. Okay, alright guys, this is it. This is my week in my business planner. I used solely my Scarlet Lime Planner Society stickers, and then I also used this kit from Tuesday Morning, and I cannot remember who. I want to think this is American Crafts. I'm almost 100% sure. So, and it's the rose gold, which I love. So that's it. I am planned. I am done. I've got my week done, and that's it. So I hope you guys like this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, we'd love to have you be a part of us. We'd love to encourage you. And most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for stopping by. I look so forward to talking to you soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.